YouTube channel. So I started my Amazon influencer program around April to May. When I started it, I did not know anything whatsoever. I was totally unaware. I wasn't expecting anything. And then I just create my storefront, but I did not. It's just like Idealist and all of that. I did not upload any video or anything like that. Then around June, July, in the summer holiday, I get to learn about, once I go to YouTube, I learn about on-site commission. This is where you upload 3 videos, and once you are approved, then you get paid for on-site commission, meaning that person come to Amazon, watch your video, and then make a purchase, whether for that product or any other product they make a purchase of, you get a commission of that sale, right? Your video will be placed across Amazon on the product page, and you have a next section on Amazon where they call shop for interest. So these are the places where your video will be placed, and you will compensate once person watch these video. When I start, my first and my second upload has denied, right? I feel discouraged, and then for like the next few months I rest myself. And then in October, November, around that time, I then said, okay, it's my last chance and I am going to take that step. So I did go ahead after I watched 2 influencer video about how to get approved for the on-site commission. I go ahead, I follow, and then I re-upload 3 videos. This time, thanks be to God, I did get approved. And from then, within like few weeks of getting approved, I made my first commission. I was so excited. I feel so hilarious knowing that I have made my first commission with any expectation of knowing what I was doing. I was so grateful, so thankful. Anyway, during that, I started watching other YouTube channel to find out all the process in and out, and I upload around about 30 to 40 odd video of stuff I have around my house. I also reach out to brand in the Creator Connection, and they sent me product. Also, some of the product look like they went somewhere else, but the one them that I receive, I make review video of those, and I am so grateful. Now I have made almost within from November to we're in the first part of April now. I have made over $40. I know it's not a lot, guys, but I am so grateful. The lesson that I have learned so far doing this is that, right, sometimes you got to be strategical on like the product that you are uploading the video, because sometimes that video have like a lot of influencer on it, and then your video will not get placed on the product page. Next lesson we have learned also is that not all products are available. Some of those products do not have video for on-site commission, right? So I learned a few things in and out so far, but I have made over 40, about 42 or $43 so far, and my best performance is in April, where you have the spring deal right around that corner. Almost every day I made a commission. I am so grateful. Also, I also make 2 sales in my Creator Connection. I am so happy for a product that a brand I reached out to a brand, and the brand has gave me. It's the steamy cleaner. I have made 2 sales from that, so I have made 2 create a connection campaign commission plus on-site commission for that one video. So I made 2, right, commission for each one. So I made 4 commission for the 2 sale, and I am so grateful. And this is what I have learned also, that when you upload this video, you can also run by the creator connection site where brand have campaign and so forth. If you have those products that you already do product review for and they are on your storefront, you can always go ahead and join that campaign, and whenever a person purchase, you can also make 2 commission for the one video. So all you do, you copy the link of those video that you have on your storefront and go on by Creator Connect, accept the campaign, and then just upload those links. So guys, I am super excited. If you like this video or you find any value in this video, like, comment, share to those who don't understand, and I will see you in the next video. Love.